How to fix PayPal app not working in Android or iPhone device. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about fixing the PayPal application when it's not working on your Android or iPhone. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to try restarting your device. This fixes the minor problems running in the background and all the glitches and bugs. Now you can check the internet connection, ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and update the PayPal application. Open the Google Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Now in the search bar, type in PayPal, and if an update is available, tap on Update, and you'll be done. After this, tap and hold onto the PayPal application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and go to App Info. From here, scroll down and tap on Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And on iPhone, you can go to Settings, then go to General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Tap on PayPal and upload the app, or you can also reinstall the application. After this, force stop this application and relaunch it on Android. You can also go to Permissions and make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app and make sure that the network storage and notifications are specifically allowed. And turn off any VPN or battery saver, as this can sometimes interfere with the PayPal secure connections. And if you're still having trouble, you can contact the PayPal support through the app or the paypal.com/help. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.